Are you one of many who dreams of becoming a data scientist? Keep watching this video if you are passionate about data science because I will tell you how does it really works under the hood. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Infinity Level. Today we are discussing about how to learn data science with Python. Before moving toward the platform, let's discuss some of the basics of data science. Data science is the study of data. It involves developing methods of recording, storing, and analyzing data to effectively extract useful information. The goal of data science is to gain insights and knowledge from any type of data, both the structured and unstructured. So, why I am motivating you to learn data science? Let me tell you the importance of data science, that why we are learning data science. If you Google something like what skills are needed for a career in data science, you will see the most important skills like programming skills, statistics, machine learning, software development, software data visualization, communications, data intuitions, and many more. Now the question arises that how long will it take to learn these skills like Python and other programming skills? After reading these steps, the most common question we have people ask us is how long does all this take? To learn data science in Python, you just need 5 steps. Number 1, learn Python fundamentals. Number 2, practice mini Python projects. Number 3, learn Python data science libraries. And number 4, build your data science portfolio. And number 5, apply advanced data science techniques. There are a lot of estimates for the time it takes to learn Python. For data science especially, estimate time is 3 months. We have watched people move through our courses at lightning speed and others who have taken it much slower. Really, it all depends on your desired timeline, free time that you can dedicate to learn Python programming, and the pace at which you learn. So for now, without wasting time, let's move toward the actual platform, how we will sign up and join the platform to learn these skills. Let's get started. Open the Google and just type Kaggle learn and hit enter. The very first link you will see, and just click this link and you will see here we will learn. This is the platform where we learn the data science. So just click the registration button and registration with Google and a registration with email. So click registration with Google. Once you click it will ask you which email we use to sign up for this. I'm using my own YouTube channel's email, and type your password, hit next. He is asking about, it will ask you about your name, your full name, which will be displayed in your profile. So enter your name, full name, and after it, click the check below and press the next button. And I agree with terms and conditions. And here's the page, home page of the platform. This is the home page of the platform. This is your personal news feed, and skip all these things and go to the first courses. Click the course and you will see the courses which we need to cover for data science. The fastest The faster data science education is known as Kaggle Learn. The very first course is Python. Learn the most important language for data science. This is a micro course and basic course. After it, you will learn the machine learning, intermediate machine learning, and data visualization. After completing it, you will learn the pandas and the future engineering, deep learning, and the database. Some courses advanced. These all courses you will cover in this course. So let's check one of them. Click Python. Python, learn the most important language for data science. Start from zero. Hello world. And here will be your progress. This is all the things you will cover in this Python language. And most interesting things, you will get some exercises for practice and some tutorials too. And the other thing now comes towards the next thing. Click the compete. It will open. You will see here the competitions. Grow your data science skills by competing in our exciting community. This is the platform where you can make your teams and apply for some competitions. There are some competitions like deep fake detection challenge. The most interesting thing is that if you win this competition, you will earn some amount of money. It's not some but big amount of money. And you will see here that there are many. These all are the challenges which many people participate in these competitions. This is a wonderful platform, you see, and you can create your own class, means you can create your groups and teams and many more. See, and other thing I will want to show you the data. Click the data button, and here you will see the data sets of many things like we see that coronavirus is taking over the earth right days, and the researchers has posted here to set the collection of data from this platform. And you also see some other data sets. We will check some of them. Foreign exchange rates. Okay, so I'm going to check the big 5 personality data sets. And one interesting thing is that you can download it free and learn, share, and many more. This is big 5 personality test data sets. You can download it, you can discuss with your friends, and many more. And hence this is your platform where you can learn. And this is the best platform you can learn and to be a data scientist. Hope you guys learn many things from this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe it, share it, and comment